This how to 1 minute will show you how to display post in WordPress to particular page or categories. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to understand how to do it. So right now I'm in my WordPress dashboard and in category section, and now I'll create a category here called computer and clicking on add new category. So as you can see, the category has been created. Now I will add a post to this particular category. To do that, I'm going to clicking on this plus icon and selecting post to create a new post and giving the post title and now I want to add this post to the particular category. To do that, I'm selecting here post option and scrolling down. Here, click on categories. Now select the category where you want to add the post. If you have multiple categories, you can select multiple categories to show the post. Then click on publish. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.